Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well today. So, at first, just very quick look at my tomatoes I grew from seeds. Look at them, how strong they are. Same with the daikon radish and bok choy. Everything is exploding here in my new greenhouse. To have this, you don't need any magic or any chemical fertilizers. I will show you now how to make the best and the easiest homemade organic fertilizer. You need the chicken manure. This is the one from our chicken coop we are cleaning regularly, and it's, yeah, as you can see, it's mixed with some hay, because we always put hay at the bottom. So, and we need wood ash. So this one is from our fireplace or wood-fired barbecue, and from the fallen trees around here. And the third ingredient is the water, and that's pretty much it. You have to have a container without any holes. Then we add some wood ash. Then you add the water, pretty much up to the top. So we can add the rest. You don't really need to measure it up. You can have some hay in it, you don't have to. So you want to fill it up to pretty much that everything is covered. So we are pretty much there. And now you have to close the top. It's very important. So you want to close it, you want to put some weight on it if you need to. And that's pretty much it. And you leave it for about 2 to 3 months. And yeah, after 2 to 3 months, you get something like this. And this is exactly what you want to have. And this is the best fertilizer you can get. So you've just seen my tomatoes. They're pretty good, aren't they? So yeah, this stuff doesn't smell anymore. It's pretty much fermented, you would say. And yeah, and this is what I use under all new seedlings I plant. And I will show you now how to handle it, how to use it in your garden to get this great result. I have to plant some zucchini now, so watch me. You dig a hole. You take your magic fertilizer, put it in, some soil on top. You get the seedling out, put it in, cover with your soil back on, and that's pretty much it. Of course, you water it a little bit. You always water. And yeah, that's it. So you will never achieve this great result, like you can see here, if you just put the chicken manure and the wood ash straight into the soil and mix it up. Unless if you don't have the best soil from the start, from the beginning with, or you have a freshly made garden or garden patch, like actually this one here you can see. It takes about sometimes up to 1 year until the microorganisms and the nutrients are able to enrich your plants and your soil. And this is what we are doing with the fermented chicken manure and wood ash. It's really like a huge speed up, so you can grow your beautiful veggies within very short time. So yeah, please put a thumb up for me if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel if you still didn't, for some more tips and tricks around gardening and backyard. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.